So today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change with, you'll just need the basic tools, oil filter wrench, oil filter, and something to hold the car in the air, which I've got ramps. You can use your jack stands. So you want to undo the drain plug and have your catch bucket or pan ready, and just undo the nut. You just want to let it all drain out before you unscrew your oil filter. So now you just want to unscrew your oil filter. I already pre-loosened mine. Just let it drain out. Now, we want to get our new oil filter, take it out of the box. Take the plastic off. And you want to put some fresh oil around this seal here before you put it back on. You don't have to put too much on there. You just want it lubed up. And doing this should make it easier to come off when you do your next oil change. Now you just want to put your new oil filter up on there and screw it in. You don't have to over tighten it, you just got to get it hand tight so it's sealed. And next you want to put your drain plug back in. And same with this, you don't want to over tighten it. It's just going to make your life hell next time you want to take it back out. So just tighten it up till it's firm, and that's. Now you want to fill it up with oil. Now you want to check your owner's manual to find out how much oil actually goes in your car. They're all different, but checking the dipstick is your best bet to find out how much is exactly in there. And that's all there is to it.